This is the current state of our architecture diagram that we are gradually building as we learn new topics. Earlier, when we learnt interpolation, we updated this diagram on how interpolation works in a component. Now, we will modify the diagram to represent property binding. We used square brackets to implement property binding in HTML template. The data in the component got transferred from component class to HTML template. As there is no reverse traversal of data from HTML template to component, this way of data binding is also classified as one-way data binding. In the previous video, we also learnt about the difference between interpolation and property binding. We also learnt that property binding modifies the property of the HTML DOM element. With this, we are concluding our learning related to property binding. From the next video onwards, we will learn event binding.